got this little GoPro 6, 7, 8 months ago to just for experiment. And then obviously things have changed and I no longer drive a truck. And we started Big Belly Rebuilds, and I've noticed that a lot of people on the internet get on their bikes and do reviews. And so I bought a helmet, got it mounted on there, and did that one bike ride. And this stuff is junk. So about 8, 9 months ago, whenever it was, I got this real cheap GoPro. It's called, I can't read without my glasses, but Akaso, Uso. So anyway, since then we started Big Belly Rebuilds, and we ended up getting motorcycles, and I've been watching YouTube, and I noticed that some people, dealerships, do reviews on their motorcycles. So I thought, well, hey, that's pretty cool. I'll try that myself. So I bought a helmet, mounted this dude on there, and went for a bike ride. And this thing is awful. The motorcycle sounded 10 times louder than what it was supposed to be.
All right, so Stephen is, we just got a helmet yesterday for the motorcycle, and Stephen is trying to figure out a way to mount a camera. It's not the name brand GoPro, but it's like a GoPro camera.
Yeah, we're still recording. Well, one thing's for sure. The idle sensor is not working right. There we go. We're back from the test ride. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but just in case you do, we'll find out real soon. All right, we'll go download it and see what happens. It sounded like I was running a dragster instead of a Harley, and the mount wasn't very good either. AJ wants to get in the picture, so that being said, got on Amazon and ordered, and GoPro, and ordered all this stuff, and I'm hoping it's here today. Let's open the packages and find out. Well, today we got some packages in the mail, and it was the mail, by the way. United States Postal Service.
Oh, it wasn't UPS.
From Amazon. So let's see what we got. No, it's not Christmas. And get those on the helmet. I don't know, it's 37 degrees today, so I doubt if I'll be going for a bike ride. Never know. What we got in here? Oh! And that was another thing. Remember I said the sound quality was horrible? And so I noticed the guys had wireless mics. We got a Rode wireless mic. This is pretty cool. I gotta check it out. It's supposed to be the latest and the greatest. Ask Randy at What's the name of
Auto Auction Rebuilds.
Auto Auction Rebuilds. Ask Randy. He's using that dude. And even though one of these is this one here is the microphone. So, and you just click that to your lapel. And so that's the mic, right? There's a receiver and a mic. But that obviously isn't going to fit inside the helmet. So it also came with a mic, a lavalier mic, which is supposed to be the best one. Oh, and see, you got to have this case. Now, this mic adapter slides in the bottom of this case. So you have to have those. This is an adapter kit. So I can adapt it on anything, even AJ's head. And GoPro has to have its own adapter. So, and that adapter has to go into its own case. So we got that adapter. That was $50. And I didn't get my GoPro. I was expecting it.
Oh, so that didn't come in that box.
No. Good morning, everybody. Might be late for y'all. I got up late today. And anyway, our final piece of my order came in last night. And I'm getting mine set up. As you can see, I got everything set up here except it's missing the GoPro. So we would hope that this would be the GoPro. Alright. Now,
find a way to get it in there.
yeah, I was able to slide the dude in there. So there we go. That's our setup. So now we have the Rode wireless mic system. It comes in this little handy dandy bag. Then carry it around. It's got your got your charging cables in there. And your information cables. Got these little
What is that? It looks like a big old fur ball.
well, it is a big fur ball, but it's to protect your microphone in the wind, so it doesn't make any noise.
Oh, well, isn't that clever?
In the wind. Supposed to click on there somehow.
Look, AJ, it's a big old fur ball. Looks like a caterpillar.
I have heard from some people that it comes off pretty easy. So, and then this dude here, it just clips on right here, see? They call it your lapel. I call it my shirt. and that goes there. Of course, I also have a wire because I'm going to be talking on the inside of here. And it's hooked to a microphone, so I can plug into the microphone so I can talk through a microphone. I can plug into this this microphone, which is also a transmitter back to the receiver, which is over here, plugged into the GoPro. So the receiver is up on top of the GoPro. So, and of course, I can use this anywhere as an action camera. It doesn't always have to be on the helmet. And if you want to set it down, flip it up. There you go.
You take it.
Camera in action. And of course, they say that I can walk out to 70 meters. I think it was. That's pretty far, 70 meters away from the camera, and you can still hear me clearly. So we got the old little cheap one over there. We got the new GoPro all set up with a wireless microphone. It's also got a helmet adapter so we can put on the road. And then this one here I can put on the handlebars. It's got the handlebar mount. And that way we can make some videos on the motorbike. We have the equipment, have the editing equipment. So I guess this stays on there, I guess. Need a little bigger helmet. I don't know what size this is. But I plan on getting some more helmets in the future. This one's pretty tight.